So this is day 8 of Coach House Remodel. So week 2, day 1, first kitchen cabinet. Yay! So we're doing this whole wall and cabinets on the back. Here is the bed all made, and they have storage drawers underneath. Check out these kitchen cabinets.
Number 2.
You did awesome.
Yeah.
You're gonna open the doors for us and show us. You get to be like the Vanna White today.
Yeah.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah.
This one we're gonna peer in from up above because look, we had to cut out around the sink plumbing. Yay, Jeff.
Boom.
These look lovely, and we're gonna do some above ones now too. This is where all the magic is happening out here on the patio. Jeff's putting together the cabinets. We are attaching the top kitchen cabinets to the wall right now. And we had to locate the studs in the wall, and we're not talking about Jeff.
That's right.
Getting the kitchen put together. Yay! One upper cabinet.
Right?
Yay! Yeah.
So before we hung these cabinets, we found out where our studs were. And then we put a little piece of scrap lumber up here, trim, and we leveled it with our level. And this way we can just set the cabinet up on top of there, lean it in, and just zip it in. Piece of cake. Like we knew what the hell we were doing, Stephanie.
Right.
I know. Do we know what
We
we're doing?
sure fooled everyone.
Nobody knows, yeah.
Yeah, upper cabinet's done. The lower cabinet's going in, and we almost have a kitchenette in here. Pretty cool.
These self-stick
10.
tin tiles have adhesion strips on them, some 3M adhesion strips, but we're liquid nailing them too, so there's never an issue of them sagging or bulging or popping like in RVs.
10 backsplash is completed, and now we are going to cut the countertop.
So I'm going to cut the end of this Venetian marble, and
Faux Venetian marble.
so I'm going to tape this real good so to avoid splintering this when I cut it with a jigsaw. So you definitely want to use a real fine tooth saw when you do this because it's going to want to chip.
Yeah, we
And
took
you
our
gotta go
measurements.
really slow. You gotta
We
go really
took
slow.
where about we need to cut, and so we're just lining and tape right now so we have a nice clean cut. And look, it fits like a glove. New countertop with the backsplash.
Nice, huh?
Yeah, it looks great, honey.
Yeah, yeah.
Yay.
And wait, I'm going to show you something.
Okay, he's gonna show us something.
Here's the
Oh,
sink.
here's the sink.
We're just going to go right.
That's step
Yeah.
2. That's tomorrow.
It's an above counter sink.
No. So tomorrow the sink comes, gets put in. So we're on day 2 of week 2, and we are getting the countertop measured for the sink installation. So we've put tape down on the countertop around the outline to keep from any splintering of the countertop when we cut it. And we're measuring. They gave us a measuring template to use, so we're trying to figure it out right now so we can start cutting it.
And not screw it up.
And not screw it up. Amen. So we are screwing down a support beam here for the centerpiece of the sink cutout. You need to do one of these, otherwise the sink can sag as you're cutting it out, and it can fall and crack the countertop and sliver it. So we're gonna drill this down, so as we cut out the last 2 sides of the sink, it'll hold it.
Then you got to start all over again. And nobody wants to do that.
No, with a new
Right?
countertop, exactly.
Yeah. Well, I got that hole cut out. Do you think it's going to fit in there, Steph?
Moment of truth.
Oh, it's so scary.
Da-da-da-da.
Oh,
Look at that.
yes.
Our
It's almost like we knew what we were doing.
Like a glove.
Here comes the 5. Hi. Yes. Silicone.
So we are putting the silicone caulk around the edge now so we can set the sink in.
Look at that caulk line, honey.
Yeah, it's so nice.
Right?
So we sunk it into the silicone around the outside and then cleaned it up. And now we have to anchor it from underneath. It came with some anchoring screws and brackets. Yeah, sink has been mounted and we're now putting in the faucet. Look how pretty. Sink is in. We haven't hooked up the water line yet because we have to get plumbers putty to put the drain part in, but we're gonna do that shortly. But you can see how pretty it looks. Yay.
Fantastic.
We are in the process of putting these pretty stainless or brush nickel handles on right now, and they're giving a little bit of a challenge.
Oh, we just want them straight.
Yeah, it's really hard. We've been trying to level them and re-drill and drill, and we just want them to look really straight and even. Yay, very pretty. We got all the beautiful brush nickel handles on. And when you open this cupboard, look at that. A mini fridge.
Beer fridge.
Yay. So it turned out really pretty. This is our storage shed in the back of our coach house, and as you can see, it's full of empty boxes and things from the remodel. So today is day 3 of week 2, and I get to dismantle all of the boxes and take them to the recycling. And Jeff is working inside the coach house, countersinking the nails on all the trim boards, caulking them, and doing touch-up paint. I said caulking again. Now it's time for the touch-up paint after all the trim work has been caulked and nails covered, etc. And then we're making the finishing touches, making them all beautiful. And look at Jeff go.
Right?
Jeff, you're quite the painter.
Thank you.
Super yay. We're painting the inside of these ugly brown doors. Looks so much better. So I killed it today on the shed, taking all the recycling. It took an entire dually truck bed load piled up high to clear it out. But now we have some room. The sinks and the cupboards that are in here are being donated, and they will be coming to pick those up in a couple days. So yay! We have a weird vent fan thing in the ceiling in the bathroom that was a Nintendo yellow color, and it's kind of one of those things that's hard to replace as far as the size and finding the right one, so we decided just to rattle can it. So I did a little coat on it, and I just went along here and made sure I got in every direction so that when you look up you won't see the yellow on it. That looks good.
How to repurpose something.
Yes.
Boom.
And we now have white doors. Woohoo! Super big improvement. We still have to do the other one. To remind you, this is what they previously looked like. And now, lovely. Good morning. Day 4 of week 2 of Coach House Remodel. We are painting the second doorway here, the back side of it white. Get rid of this yucky brown. We need some plumber's putty so we can install our sinks. So we're dropping into Home Depot, so we had to put a pause on the other stuff.
Hopefully last trip.
Yeah, we've come here way too much lately. We picked up the plumber putty at Home Depot, and Jeff is now gonna install the drain in the kitchen sink and hook up some plumbing.
Yeah, hopefully.
Pretty exciting.
I'm sure.
We have a white roller shade we're installing today. And it looks like we had metal frame around the window, so we have to pre-drill the holes on this. Today, our bathroom vanity and sink showed up. Yay! So we are going to start installing this. New faucet and matching handles to match the kitchen are getting put on now. Yay! And now we are installing a smoke detector. Yay! Final important piece.
Boom.
Ta-da! How do you feel about that?
Good. Now this has a 10-year battery, which means it should stop beeping in about 3 months. So
Perfect.
yeah, so we'll be listening for that.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Today is day 6 of the coach house remodel, and we had to visit our local Home Depot again to get some plumbing pieces. Yes, Jeff?
Yes.
Yes. And so we're trying to connect the sinks now. We tried to use the existing plumbing to save on cost, but it wasn't fitting, so we picked up some new pieces. So Jeff is working on this, and look at him representing in his Jeff and Steph shirt.
Thank
Woohoo!
you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, honey.
Yeah.
So we will watch him try to figure out plumbing and see if this works. On another note, I didn't film the blind actually up in the last video, so I wanted to show you. We just got a blacked out white blind in here. Very simple, and our local Home Depot store cut it to the right size for us. So while Jeff is working on the plumbing for the sinks, I am working on painting a bathroom cabinet. It's an existing cabinet, and we just said let's leave it for the cost and hassle, so I'm working on getting it all repainted. Here is my project. The door on the left, you can see it was painted white, but it's really kind of yellowed and faded, and the one on the right, I just redid. So this is my fun project today. How is that sink going, honey?
I think it's going pretty good.
Yeah?
I don't know. I don't think we're leaking. Let's give it a shot here. Oh!
Yay, water! How exciting is this? Any leaks?
I don't see any.
Awesome! That's exciting. Good job.
Yeah. Not
Yay!
sure it's gonna leak later, but we'll check
Oh,
it
don't
out.
say that. It's not gonna leak.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm glad that's done.
Yay, good. It feels good to get that accomplished. Now we gotta work on the bathroom sink.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Good.
Good. So a very exciting day for us. We have water. Yay. This is in our bathroom sink. Got it all plumbed. And we have water in the kitchen sink. Yay. We got a nice sprayer with the nozzle too. Love that. Today was my job to paint the existing doors too. They were like an off-white color. So I have repainted the bathroom door front and back, and it is shiny and pretty white. Also getting the final 2 pieces of trim work in around the toilet here, so we're measuring for that. But it feels so good getting it done.
Roger that.
Hi everyone.
How's it going, everyone?
Jeff and Steph's
Excellent. Coach
House Remodel
adventure.
and Adventure for sure.
Oh yeah.
We just wrapped up week 2 and we're in a groove now.
We're moving right along.
We are moving right along,
Yeah.
and we're having a lot of fun too.
Yeah, it's pretty funny.
It's so nice making a space your own, and I can see where having a coach house or something like this is invaluable to RVers and people that travel all the time. It's nice.
For sure. for sure. Always have a place to come back to if you need it.
Yes.
And if you don't feel like coming back for
You
year?
can lock the door and leave.
Yeah, yeah, yep.
So we are going to keep working. It looks like it's gonna go into a week 3.
Ooh.
Yeah, we were kind of hoping we could complete it all by week 2, but odds and ends are rolling in and things are kind of, some things not working quite right, so we're trying to refigure them. So we are gonna go into a week 3.
All right.
And we hope you guys are enjoying these, and let us know in the comments. If,
Here's the good thing.
Yeah.
It hasn't burned to the ground yet.
No. Yes.
It hasn't
it's true.
flooded out yet.
Mm-mm. No.
Everything's good
Yeah, everything's good. You're
so
right.
far.
You're right. Good job.
Jeff,
It's Steph's.
excellent adventure.
Yeah, stay tuned for more fun.
See you guys soon.
Bye.
See ya.